It's a giant. Trout run. Let's do it. Tennessee bound, boys. Got the tank in the back. Let's go catch us a pig. It's gonna be an awesome video. Tune in. It's gonna be a good one. So what are we out here doing today?
Trolling.
Live bait fishing?
Live bait fishing. 99 degrees. A warm 99 in April. March.
Yeah, she's bubbling.
She's bubbling. They better not come up top or they'll be cooked. We're both trying to lose weight, which explains our gear. We're trying to sweat off a couple pounds. It's not showing. I'll turn around. Look, you got purple. You missing it up like you.
That back here's perfect. Look at that. Are you sponsored by Shad Shack? Crappie.
Sakura.
How does Alabama say? Why did they say
Crappie.
crappie?
Crappie.
You say crappie though.
Crappie. Crappie or crappie. It's either or.
Blue plate or Dukes?
Blue Areas of the lower ends bait. Right now we're checking out some thread fins.
Yeah.
They're caked between the bottom, 60 feet and 40.
That's where you like to see your bait. Just smash
That's where I
right
love to see the bait.
Smash right on the bottom
When
of
you're
the lake.
pulling boards and you have no downlines,
Absolutely.
it's fucking ideal because this way, if there's a fish above the bait, he ain't got no option except divers. You know?
We did take Jared's advice and we gently placed our bait in the water. Gently fed it back. So, we got that going for us.
I'm sure that's gonna make the difference.
Yeah.
I didn't put it gently in the fucking tank when we got it here.
No.
Gave it rock star status.
So I babied the bait all the way from Anderson. We get here and
I'm juggling.
Walker throws it from 10 feet into his bait, into his dirty bait tank. We fishing.
We fishing. I mean, we pulling. Am I milking this?
No, it's a little hook. You know, you ain't got that big hook on there. Probably off brand. What we got, Mike? Whoop whoop. Whoop, whoop.
One 108, 107, 106, 109. Spiking.
It's about the same as it was.
Oh, it's fucking way warmer. It's fucking God, my skin almost blow up. That doesn't qualify as oh, that's cheating, motherfucker. I got phones that, hold on. I got 6 and 2 wings and he only bought 6. It's fucked up. I woke up at like 5, went out and smoked a cigarette.
Day 2.
Cheese. Fish, whatever.
I'm tired.
Huh?
I'm tired.
Are you?
Catching too many fish. Shit gets old, man.
It does. I mean, being this good gets old.
Don't have a fire anymore. Lost the fire.
Yeah, I don't know. We showed them some fire this weekend. I can whack them.
Alright, day 2. We're gonna try something different today. Got tired of playing with the turds. We're gonna catch us a...
Put on nothing but 4-pound bait. We'll see what happens.
We're gonna grab the boga if we get a good one and pull the tail like Bryson did to get the 63, and then Okuma will be calling.
Maybe we need to go down to the wood where the bait ain't.
Yeah, let's go. Going to the wood where the bait ain't. We out.
Well, it looked like he had him right there. Got him, got him, got him, got him. Scott Perry. Secret. Bubbling Springs Lake in Tennessee. Water temp dropped to 83 today. Bite picked up even more. Good 30-pounder. Drop tip. Ah! Trying to film. He's heavy. Ah! Nice fucking fat butterball.
Yes, sir. Got him.
Got him.
Got him. Well, heading home, Tennessee. Little day and a half trip. Didn't go great, didn't go terrible. Got 2 fish, a mid-20 and a 30. But conditions sucked. Water was ice cold. Bait was stuck on the bottom. Marked very few fish in the crappy little lake we fished, but we got 2. No major issues, and we ate good, so we'll do it again. Get warmed up. Water warms up a little bit. Hit it again. Alright, we out.